Right, you need to be realistic about the probability of winning, because when you're looking at the factors that you have earlier, for example, that you know that you're competing with a big name or a big or a giant company, you should know that maybe your chances of winning is low. So you need to be realistic, and you need to already know about probability of winning. A lot of non-winning proposals may hurt your reputation, because even though you've done nothing, but you lost too many times in the bidding, so your reputation will be lost, because people will think that you are not good enough. That is why you're rejected. So that is why before you want to bid, you need to consider all the factors that I mentioned earlier. Okay, now developing a winning proposal. As you know, proposal is actually a selling document. It's not a technical report, yeah. It's a selling document. It means that you're trying to sell your specialties, you're trying to sell your services to the customer. So in order to do so, you need to convince that you are the best one to solve their problems. Everyone has a problem, and everyone has a different way in solving their problems. So you need to be very unique, and you need to be convince your customer that you are the best one to solve the problem. Highlight the unique factors that differentiate you from other contractors. As I mentioned earlier, what makes you so special? For example, that we want to eat at fast food. We have McDonald's, A&W, KFC. But when we talk about a good burger, we are going to go for McDonald's. But when we have Burger King, definitely Burger King is good because it has specialties in burgers. So things that make you unique and different will give you advantage on winning the bidding. Okay, emphasize the benefits to the customer. Write in a simple, concise manner so that when people read, they do understand. Sometimes when people are writing a proposal, they are become too technical. Then sometimes we don't understand that. So that is also a problem actually. Okay, address the requirement as laid out in the RFP. So when we are focusing on the things or problems that identified in the RFP, it means that we are concerned about the customer's problem and we are engaging to it. So it shows that we are concerned to that. So they're definitely going to choose us as a winning contractor because we're concerned about their needs and their problems. Okay, be realistic in scope, cost, and schedule. Right. Proposal preparations again. We can be straightforward by put a person or a resource intensive effort requiring a team. In creating a proposal, we can create a team or maybe we can just assign to a person itself. So it depends on how well are you doing the proposal. If you do have a very good team in developing a proposal, then create a team. If you know that there is a person who is very good in writing proposal, then assign it to a person. Okay. So this one, okay, customers do not pay contractors for preparing the proposal. So all the costing is under the contractors. Okay. So, okay, this is the very important part. Okay. Because for your assignment also, you're going to do a proposal, right? So there are three sections that you should have in your proposal. First is the technical section, which you do understand about the problem and you try to propose each of the problems to a solution. Okay, and then you also discuss about the benefits to the customer. Okay, this is very important because if you don't put this in your proposal, it doesn't mean anything because you're not solving the problem and it doesn't mean it means nothing. Okay, so you have to remember, first section is the technical sections and the second one is the management section, which includes all the descriptions of work tasks, how are you going to deliver it, when it will be completed, when is the project schedule, and how is the project will be done. Okay, what are the experience that your team have, what are the equipments and facilities that are going to be